Here are 5 famous features of Next.js. 1. Server-side rendering. SSR. Next.js supports SSR out of the box, which means that your website will be rendered on the server side before being sent to the client. This results in faster load times and better SEO. 2. Static site generation. SSG. Next.js also supports SSG, which generates HTML pages at build time rather than on the fly. This results in even faster load times and improved performance. 3. Automatic code splitting. Next.js automatically splits your code into smaller chunks, which are loaded as needed. This results in faster initial load times and improved performance. For built-in CSS support, Next.js supports CSS modules out of the box, which allows you to write modular CSS code that is scoped to specific components. This makes it easier to manage your CSS and avoids conflicts with other components. 5. File-based routing. Next.js allows you to define your routes using the file system. This makes it easy to organize your pages and API routes, and avoids the need for a separate routing configuration file.